Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and that is a 14 by 14 inch dry pre-primed canvas, double primed. Here's some leftover paints, there's some other leftover paints, and I have some in another container altogether. And they're very pretty, and I don't think I have ever just applied a single shovelful, or however much I can get out. I kind of want to put that on there. Can I? No. I kind of want to make sure all that goes down and then attempt to get it out with my shovel after I add everything else and have a quick look. Because the more paint I have there, the more wide it will flow. But I want the paint that I get on the top to look spiffy. What else can I say? So I'm going to just add some more of whatever makes me happy. And I think that's going to be some gold and some more. It's still not open. Or it just closed again. This is my folk art neon purple that seals up every time I get a chance. Oh, and I just screwed the top on wrong. Alright, so I'm almost there. What else do I want? I've got some color shifting orange. So that's pretty cool. And I've got some black gloss enamel. This is going to be different. Or the same. No, this is going to be different. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it on. I think I'm going to add some more of my favorite color in there too. And I might add some gold, because I didn't and I meant to. Be good if I put my glasses on, I think, since I just did that upside down and backwards. I think I'm going to add some white pearl. I have seldom, if ever, I don't believe I've ever done exactly this. I don't know what makes me optimistically try to get things out of paint bottles that they're already not coming out of, but that actually worked. I don't know how that worked, but it worked. I want to put some of that black enamel into the white, but I think what I'm really going to do is put some blue in there. And then maybe even agitate it so it has a chance to move around. I think I need, pretty sure, as much paint as I can get out of here. Why waste it after all? Still got some pretty bright colors. And then I can throw that in the bucket. And as I go, I can look and see what I like. I meant to get an edge catcher, but it's right here up above next to my camera with a bottle of paint on it. Go figure. So I'm going to keep trying to recenter my paint to get it to flow where I want it to without coming off the canvas, which might be a tall order, because I kind of want that to go up there. And a lot of times if I want something to go someplace, I'll flow it back in the opposite direction, sort of to the idea I'm going to attach it. And I kind of want that, and this, and all the rest of my favorites right there if I can get them out. No, I want some red. I keep thinking I'm going to pick up the red and then I change my mind. Now I can use that edge catcher, especially if it's short enough. There's a shorter one, that's what I want. To send all this paint right down over here. Rock it so it covers. Getting some really cool cells from the enamel. What else do I want? I'm just taking liberties like crazy, doing what I want. Oops, my little plug came out that was keeping the paint from flowing. I like this in here, I really don't want to lose that. And I have an idea that I wish I'd unplugged my bottle. Wow, okay, that's really more than I anticipated. But I love that color, so I'm not complaining. Maybe a little bit more right here. A little bit. Now nudge it around with a skewer before I do anything else. I don't think I would really totally care if I had some black background showing in there. Send that right over the side. I could scrape off the paint off of my edge catcher and use that. I can also use my thumb and cross that over on that side. Kind of want some white again. One of these I could put chain in. You know, I'm just having too much fun officially. Definitely too much fun. Just adding the colors that I want where I want, and then I start to tip and I'm like, no, but I want that other color. That's cool. So they're not mixing, but they're mixed in some places. What goes over there? I kind of think it needs some orange over there. I think that will help it out. I was going to say I could be wrong, but I think I'm right. At least this time. So that's kind of neat. I like that a lot. I use GAC 800 by Golden, as not as a pouring medium, but as an additive. It is a pouring medium, but it is an additive. It's not inexpensive, but it keeps my paint from cracking. So I'm pretty happy with that. I want to think about this right in here. I could put a basting brush in there. I could do all kinds of stuff, but I don't think I need to do much of anything. I'm looking for a pink. Come out. The glasses thing is an issue. There they are too. I got them. Cool. So far, I haven't got too many little splooges escaping. And I'm loving everything I've got. So I am pretty good. I'm even going to steal a little paint and put it on the edge so it's cohesive. Now I'm just going to torch, because I think that's fabulous. It doesn't have to be any more spectacular than that to make me happy. I torch to release the bubbles in the paint. I torch to release patterns in the paint. I do sell my artwork. My email address is directly under the video if you should have an interest in a future class when the pandemic is over. I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, in my studio. If you share my videos, you help me out. If you go over to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batzell YouTube channel, and you see Teespring clothing below the video. That's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and you help me out if you shop there. If you check out my Amazon link right below the videos on any channel and shop there, ooh, that was perfect. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm way happy with that. Got just enough rolled down. I can keep a little bit of that black. Do I want any more? That turquoise made me happy. So happy. Now I'm going to get rid of the fish. It looked like a fish for a second. So that's not bad at all. As far as making me happy goes, I'm pretty happy about all of this. Pretty colors. I'm going to go break up my dogs and see if I can keep them from rabbit hunting. I think I'm going to put a little more white right there. And that's Anita's metallic. And what else? What around the outside of it? Maybe just a little tiny bit of, no. I'm good. Maybe a little tiny bit of that blue. There, I'm good. Check your notifications. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I love you guys. On one of my channels, there's over 86,000, almost 500 subscribers. On the other one, there's like 300. So please help if you want. I got some great stuff on Phoenix Rising. And I'm looking forward to you guys visiting again. Thank you very much. That was a dog passing by. I keep seeing stuff I want to do, and the bottles that I want it from are closed. I have one. Oh, with a point on its tip. I found a skewer that'll open a bottle. That crunching that you're hearing is my dogs having too much fun, officially. And I'm still having too much fun, officially. I love you guys. I think I said that. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, I'm done. And I have that black, so if I need to touch up where I've put schmutz on there, I will. You guys take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out.